Hey, I am going to take you along today. Really exciting things happening over here. Some major updates. I'm going to be sharing all of the details of where I've been the last while and what's to come for this channel. Super excited. Lots of things in store, so stay tuned and let's get into today's video. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Montreal. I'm currently walking to something that I'm really excited about for this coming year. I had it on my vision board and I'm just like, it feels very aligned and very perfect for what I'm looking for right now. So, answers. I am renting a studio space. Ta-da! Super exciting for me. Real talk, the reason why I haven't been showing up on my YouTube channel for the last 2 years is I haven't had a good studio space to be working out of. I've been making do and I felt a lot of imposter syndrome. So as many photographers and entrepreneurs and creatives, I think you can relate to that feeling of not having the confidence to show up even though you know you're good enough. I think as entrepreneurs and photographers, we can all agree that everybody goes through periods of imposter syndrome. And for me, I was in a really bad situation in my last studio, and when I removed myself, it was during COVID and just everything was really uncertain that I decided to take the overhead away and just work out of my condo, which worked for a really long time. And then it got to a point where it wasn't working anymore. So now I'm super excited. I had it in my intentions for last year to find a studio space, and it came about in the form of this. I'm going to be part of a collaborative group. There's 6 of us in total that are sharing this space, and I'm so excited for the growth that's going to happen in the next year. Really feel really inspired, and I think there's just so much possibility that is in this space, and I'm just really excited for what's next for Erica Steeves. If you're new here, my name is Erica Steeves, product stylist and commercial photographer. I show on this channel tips and tricks and behind the scenes of commercial photo shoots that I'm working on, how to do product styling, how to compose imagery and things like this. And I have some really exciting projects coming up. In the backlog of different content that I tried creating over the last few years, I'm looking to release that over the next little while and just kind of share with you some fun little things that I've been doing. And I have some really exciting things that I think could be really beneficial for anybody starting out, how you can start out with like low cost, low risk. And I think it's just like I have so much knowledge to share. I think this is going to be a really great start, not only for this channel, but also for my business. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Where I haven't been posting that often, the algorithm obviously isn't going to favor me. So to make sure that you're seeing the videos as I release them, you're going to want to subscribe. And my commitment is I'm going to try to do a video once a week to once every 2 weeks. And now that I have this space, I feel so much inspiration and passion to share with you what I'm photographing. So today, what I want to do is take you on a studio tour and show you the space of what we're working with. It's kind of a blank canvas. There's a lot of cleaning that needs to happen and tidying, but we're just starting to bring in our equipment, and I'm just really excited to share with you the space. Okay, so super excited. Look how big and beautiful this space is. Lots of things need to happen, but there's some other people. The old tenants are moving out, but we have prep tables and 2 large, gorgeous windows. We have a long co-working desk that we're gonna work with. They sectioned off, the previous tenants had sectioned off this area, so there's like a storage locker that we can keep and hide away all of our things. We're gonna make a coffee bar kind of situation, and lots of just like figuring it out. But lots of backdrops. Can't wait to shoot on those. Lots of potential. So some of you might be wondering, like this space, obviously it's just the skeleton right now. Still lots of stuff to figure out. But I can really see the potential, and that's really exciting. And some of you might be wondering, how do you find studio space? And for me, like the last 2 years of my business, I've pivoted so much, and it's evolved and changed in ways I didn't anticipate. So having a studio space now, I'm really hoping to attract more clients and have that confidence to show up online, to share and like create packages or for like mini sessions and things like this, and have a physical location to be able to shoot from, and like reduce some of the variables that were holding me back and limiting me from taking advantage of all of the potential that I know I have. So one of the ways that I was able to do this is I've joined a whole bunch of local Facebook groups, and I just kept my ear to the ground, and I was asking friends and things like this if anybody knew of any places, just trying to put out feelers of what it could be. And as I kind of like reestablish myself and ramp things back up, I knew I didn't want to take on the risk of paying for a studio all by myself. And another thing that aligns with me is I want to expand my network and also collaborate more with other photographers. So joining a collaborative and sharing the space with other people, it was really aligned, where we can share equipment, we can share and bounce ideas off each other, share experience and be able to grow faster, share our network, and sharing this space. I just think it will be a really great opportunity for me to get more established here in Montreal. So really excited, because before, when I was just kind of like a lone wolf figuring it out on my own, I felt like I was hitting some barriers and I was losing inspiration. So I'm really excited to see what the collaborative, like what other people, my peers, are going to be doing, and also how I can inspire them. So that's it for today. I just wanted to share with you this really awesome update. I'm super excited, and I'm really excited about all the great content that I'm going to create in here and share with all you guys. So to make sure that you stay in the know, turn on your subscriptions so that you can get notified when new videos come out weekly. I'm going to try once a week, if not once every other week at the moment. It's really hard to get back into the momentum of doing YouTube after having not done it for so long, but I'm really committed, and I'm excited to make this progress. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, no matter where you are, and that you're passionate and excited about doing photography and are doing some really great shoots. Anyway, until then, keep shooting and having fun. Talk to you. Bye.